Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. In last class, we have discussed about the introduction of our third chapter, playing with numbers, right? In that, we have started our first concept about factors and multiples. About factors, how to find out factors, what is the definition of factor, and what is the definition of multiple, how to write multiples, how to find out multiples of numbers. And at last we have studied characters of factors also, right? So in this class we will study about multiples, characters of multiples. As you know, this is also very simple one, right? So without wasting time, we'll go for first character. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Okay, we'll understand this one through an example. If I take here 5, okay, if I want to write multiple of 5, what I will write here? 5 is a multiple of itself, right? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 11s are 55. It's gone like this. Okay. So see here students, each and every multiple of this number 5 is greater than and only one is equal to this number, right? So first characteristics of this multiple is this only. Okay, so every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that given number. Okay, I hope you people are understood this character. We'll go for second character now. The number of multiples of a given number is infinite, right students? If you come to in case of factor, the number of factor for a given number is finite there, but in the case of multiple it's not like that. We can write infinite of multiples for the number. If I take a same number, if I take a 5 only, see, I can write how much I want. 5 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 elevens are 55, 5 twelves are 60, 5 13s are 65, 5 14s are 70, 5 15s are 75, 5 16s are 80, 5 17s are 85, 5 18s are 90, 5 19s are 95, 5 20s are 100, 5 21s are 105, 5 22s are 110, 110, 5 23s are 115, 5 24s are 120, 5 25s are 125. Like this, I can write infinite of multiple for the given number. Okay, so I can continue this one, I can continue like this only. Simple, we have to go on multiplying each time that given number only, right? So I hope you people are understood this characteristics also. So we'll go for third one now. Every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, in both example, okay, you are getting here, right? Every number whatever they have given number is also multiple of the given number, right? So if you take here 6, I'll write here 6 because 6 ones are 6, it is also multiple of 6. So I can, in 6 table 6 will come, right? No, 6 ones are 6. If we take here 7, for 7 multiple will come 7 only, 7 also, like this only. Okay, every number is a multiple of itself. So students, we got now how to characteristics of factors also and characteristics of multiples also. Today some examples we will study, okay, how to find out factors and how to find out multiples. Okay, some different examples we will study. Then a little bit you people also practice like this. Okay, so I'll take same number. Okay, for same number also I'll write multiple also and I'll write factor also. If I take here 12, if I take here 12, okay, I have took here 12 as a number. First I will write factors of 12. Factors of 12. How to write factors of 12? Then yesterday I told in which tables this 12 will come. Okay, that are the factors for that number. So 12 will come in one table, 1 12s are 12. 12 will come in two table, 2 6 are 12. 12 will come in third table, 3 4s are 12. 12 will come in fourth table, 4 3s are 12. 12 will come in sixth table, 6 2s are 12. 12 will come in 12 table, 12 ones are 12. This is factors for that number 12. In which table this number will come 12, that are the factors, that all tables are factors for that number. Okay, so if I write now multiples of 12, if I want to write multiples of 12, so what will come? First one, here one thing you remember, in factors all the factors are less than or equal to that given number. But here in multiple, here one character is that you have to remember for our convenience, all the multiples are greater than or equal to that number. Okay, because I'll start from 12 only. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Single table I am writing here, but what I am writing in factors, all the tables, in which table this 12 will come in. Here which number is given, that table only I am writing here. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, right? 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens 84, right? Like this, etc. I can write infinite of multiples for this number. Okay, so we'll take another number. We'll take 36 now. Okay, first I will write factors for 36. Okay, factors of 36. How to write factors? In which table this 36 is coming, that we have to find out. In one table 36 will come, 136 the 36, because one character is there, so one is a factor for each and every number, right? One is a factor for each and every number. And in two table also 36 will come, 2 18s are 36. Okay, and in the three table it will come, yes, it will come, no, 12s are, right? No, here only it is there, no, 12s are, 3 12s are 36. In a four table it will come, no. Why? Check once. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. There, 9s are. In fourth table also, oh sorry, I wrote here 12, actually I have to write here 3. In fourth table also it will come, in fifth table it will not come, in sixth table it will come, 6 6 are 36, in 7 no, in 8 no, in 9 yes, 9 4s are 36, right? No, And in 11 10 table, no. 11 table, no. In 12 table, yes. 12 3 is 36. 13, no. 14, no. 15, no. 16, no. 17, no. In 18 table it will come 18 2 is 36, and directly after that 36. See, here finite numbers we are getting this much only factors for this number 36. How much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This much only. Okay, factors only 9 factors are there for 36 number, but multiples we can write n number of multiples for this number. Multiples, right, of 36. 36, right? 36. First only we have to write same number 72, right? Right, no? And next not 8, right? Like this, etc. Like this number, n number of multiples you can write for the given number. So I hope you people are understood, okay, how to find out factors and how to find out multiples for the given number. Okay, simple understand the how to find out factor and remember the characters also. Okay, that will help you to find out the factors and multiples for the given number. So please don't be confused in between the how to find out multiples and how to find out factors. Okay, if you not understand well, okay, see my first class also and this class also, and try to solve yourself. Try to find out yourself how I have solved here. See my method, how I solved it. Okay, according to that you have to practice well. Okay, so practice makes man perfect, no, like that only. If you practice more number of examples here. Yesterday also I have given 5 examples to find out the factors and 5 examples to find out the multiples for you people. Like that only you have to take different number and trying to find out the factors and multiples for the given number. That will help you to remember in a long way. Okay, thank you students, take care, bye bye.